I've always loved the restaurant business. I grew up going to restaurants with my father all the time. He was an interior designer. They would line up chairs and I would sleep, in the restaurant when I was a kid. And we were out, 2 to 3 times a week. They were all customers and clients and became very close with some of those people, and it was just a wonderful experience. Avanti Restaurant Solutions is a national kitchen equipment dealer who takes a client's culinary vision and helps bring that to reality. The name Avanti means forward in Italian. Really, our mantra is to help people move their businesses forward faster. We take and help them design the kitchen, all the different components of it and how it interacts with the front and back of the house. We install all the equipment, get it in place, get it started up and fired up so they can get to work and get rocking.
For Avanti, I'll go out and create a virtual capture, we call it VCAP, of our job sites at various stages of the game. And we do that for the purpose of creating the deliverables of a point cloud and creating as-built.
We use a Faro scanner to go out there and virtually capture a space. When I saw the technology for the first time and realized how powerful it was in terms of being able to map out a space, it seemed like a no-brainer.
We are in the science of precise measurements. We make various hardware and software that allow our customers to take their assets or applications from the real world into the digital world.
You need to have the right specs and measurements in a kitchen, in a space, because they kind of say time is money, space is also money, because real estate is extremely expensive and the amount of it that you take up, it's critical that you use every piece of it as efficiently as possible.
So Avanti is using our Faro Focus laser scanners to go out and capture the spaces that they're going to be designing around. This allows them to reduce the amount of time that they're actually spending on site gathering these measurements, completely eliminates the need for them to go back to the site in case they've missed a measurement. So it's saving them a lot of time, and also they're getting much more accurate dimensions and measurements from our data that they're collecting.
Your measurements a little off could mean that the exhaust hood or ventilation system doesn't accurately or adequately cover a piece of equipment. It may mean the difference between a piece of equipment fitting into the line or not.
It has helped our company grow in the design area of what we do. It's like hitting the fast forward button. It takes it down from 2 or 3 weeks to about 4 to 7 business days.
The ability of our team to support our customers, whether that's account managers or field application engineers or our support staff is really what sets us above and beyond, because typically if they have a problem they need it solved right away and not 2 or 3 days later. So being there available for them, I think, is a big difference between us and other companies out there.
I had someone in my corner and I shared the file with him, and he was kind enough to not only put it together for me, but to share how he was able to get it to work and how, if I encountered this next time, I could do it myself. It was a definite teach a man to fish moment.
And the favorite part of my job is showing people this technology and figuring out a way that we can make their lives better. We can make them more profitable, more efficient, and to help them along that journey.
It's very important to use the right equipment. We want to use the best piece of technology to get the best result we can in the most efficient amount of time for our clients.
The technology has helped Avanti Restaurant Solutions tremendously, not only within our own industry, but it's allowed us to actually branch out into other areas.
Faro's always looking for innovative customers out there that are pushing the envelopes for their industries. That in terms help us to push the envelope when it comes to our hardware and software.
It's terrific to go back and sit down in a place that you've been involved with the design and to see it all working, and the energy and the vibe and the excitement of the place thriving and doing well.